Namaste. Good morning. Hope you all have done with your Kannada test well. Yes. So, okay. Mm, Today we'll discuss with list 4. List 1, 2, and 3 we have completed. Very few children yesterday had sent me. I had asked you to draw. Yeah, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮೂರು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವರು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಐ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ 3 ವರ್ಕ್ಶೀಟ್. ಅದು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಐ ಲವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಯು ಟು fill it up with list 3. Okay, list 4. Today we shall discuss all 11 keywords I have given. Facts about ornithologists. Ornithology is a branch of zoology that concerns the study of birds. You know, botany and zoology, you have two concepts in your Montessori. You remember last year when you were in third, fourth, second and all, you had two concepts of botany and zoology. I think Rashmi ma'am was teaching you all. Okay, so ornithology is a branch of zoology that concerns the study of birds. Botany means it is study of plants, children. All about plants you will get to know in botany. But zoology you will get to know all about the birds and animals. Zoo indicates it's animals and birds. So it is zoology. Humayun Abudali from India is one of the famous ornithologists. John Abbott from US, Prince Akishino from Japan are the famous ornithologists. Okay, from India it is Humayun Abudlali. The branch of natural history that deals with the systematic study of birds began in America in the 18th century. So natural history we came across in the story, Bombay Natural History ಅಂತ. Yeah, what is the natural history that deals with a systematic study of birds? ಪಕ್ಕ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. they can see the birds in live. Okay, so first began in America in the 18th century. Which century we are in? 21st. Okay, so 18th century it start ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Find the missing letters. As usual you will do it. Rewrite the words given below. You can use color pencils and write it. And children, some of your handwriting has become so worst. Second standard, third ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಿ when I was handling you all. Fourth, only one batch and the other batch I don't know how you all were doing. But children, you have to I think you need to improve your handwriting. Now is the best time. Please get 4 lines book. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರೊಂದು copywriting book ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಮನೇಲಿ 4 lines book ಇದ್ದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ದು you can start using. Because you're using pen, I can agree, but worksheets you're filling it up in the pencil, I think so. Don't use pen for the worksheets. You should use pencil. You know that rules. Okay, if you have used pen now it's okay, not an issue, but next time onwards for every worksheet use pencil only for the worksheets. Classwork, yes, you have to write it in pen, but I'm scared. I don't know how we have written, whether I've scribbled or what. I don't, and I also believe that you don't listen to your parents. Your parents keep on telling you constantly handwriting neatag bari anta, but I don't think so you'll have done it. But see that you will do it, children. Okay, please write it neatly. At least 1 page of copywriting, I think, per day will help you all. Write it slowly. There is no hurry. Write it slowly, but write it neatly. Okay, yeah. Rewrite the words given below. You will write it thrice. And children, these are the worksheets which is there already. Your parents have come to the school and they have collected it. Yeah, so you need to write it, that's all. No confusion. ಬರೆದು ನನಗೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ರಿಓಪನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ನೋ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸಿನೋನಿಮ್. ಡೆಡ್ವುಡ್, ಕಾರ್ಮೊರೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ, not Google. No using dad's or mom's phone. Dear parents, don't give them. Let them search through the dictionary. Let them get a habit of searching through the dictionary. ತೀರಾ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ you can go to Google until your parents permits. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳೋವರೆಗೂ ಅವರೇ ಹುಡುಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ. ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಹೆಡೆಡ್, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಸಿ, ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ. ಯಾ. ಫಾದರ್, ಮದರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್. You have already, you know about the gender concept. Yeah, masculine and feminine. That is what you have to match it. You have to do it and send it to me. Fill in the blanks with I, you, he, she and it. Dogs is in the cupboard. Dash is sleeping. Ram is studying in 5th standard. Dash loves playing in the park. Sita is a good swimmer. Dash shows interest in singing also. Dash am studying in Ankita's school. Answer the following. Who is the narrator of the story Salim Mamu and Me? It is Zai Vitakar. What is the name of Zai's uncle Salim Mamu? What if right complete answer. What is the name of the book written by Salim Mamu? Find out. You can look into the storybook. What is the use of binoculars? You have seen in the last worksheet. The use of binoculars have given. You can write it. Was the girl happy to watch birds? No. Reason? The whole family were the bird lovers. She was fed up of it. Okay? Yes. Name the occupation. The person who teaches, teacher. The person who looks after the garden, gardener. The person who takes care of patients, nurse, doctors. The person who makes furniture, carpenter. The person who builds the building, mason. Okay, builder at the baribidi. It's mason. The person who mends the shoes, cobbler. Yeah. Label the following. A person who studies about physics, you have an option here. He's called as physicist. A person who studies about stars, sun, and celestial objects, he is called as astronomer. A person who studies about birds, ornithologist. A person who studies about animals, zoologist. A branch which deals about plants, it is botany. BOTANY children. Here A is missing in the in the box what I've provided. It's botany, BOTANY, botany. A branch which deals about animals, it's zoology. Okay. In addition to it, you have one more worksheet that I shall be discussing tomorrow because you have to write test and all. Lot more things are there for you all to do. So I don't want to burden you all. Go ahead with this. Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. Don't forget to send me. Please write it and send me. Thank you.